New business owners have a lot of things to worry about, their new website included. How to make sure it is optimized the best way possible to eventually bring your business visibility on Google. Creating and developing your site to be SEO ready can be a long and challenging process. In this video, we're listing the most important SEO do's to help you make your new website as visible as possible in the digital world. Optimize your website for SEO. Think about what your potential customers might be searching for. If you're a poster shop based in Melbourne CBD, what would people type in Google to be able to find you? Think about the type of shop you are, where you are, and what is unique about you. Considering that, maybe your keyword should be something like Original Vintage Posters Melbourne, rather than just poster shop. Once you choose your keywords, include them in your meta description, title, and website body text content. This will signal to Google what your business is and will help show it to the right users. Make sure your website utilizes best user experience practices. This might include providing a prominent inquiry button, making it easy to purchase products or services for potential customers. You should also make sure your website is easy to navigate within your site by providing links and navigation structures on each page. Having a search field is also increasingly important to consumers. In fact, over 40% of consumers say a search box is the most important feature on websites. Incorporate fresh content on your priority pages. This can be in the form of blog articles, videos, testimonials, and/or product reviews. Keeping content dynamic and new on your pages will signal to Google that you're constantly improving your website, boosting your SEO rankings. It will also help with user engagement and retention, further boosting your Google position. Making sure your new business site is SEO ready can be a challenge. However, it is definitely worth the effort. Google is the most important platform in gaining customers for local businesses. And it's also a tool many use to make online shopping decisions. Gaining visibility on Google and climbing to the first page of the search engine should be one of the biggest priorities for any new business owner. It will help you with gaining new customers, which should be the biggest goal for any new business.